Welcome to Health Secrets. Are you struggling to lose weight despite trying every diet out there? Did you know 15% of Americans are turning to intermittent fasting to shed pounds, with a 2025 study showing a 10% increase in popularity? Today, I'm sharing 5 ways to start IF successfully. Let's dive in and change your life. Hey there, young adults out there. If you're between 18 and 45, you might feel the weight of maintaining a healthy lifestyle amidst a hectic work schedule, social media pressure, or those irresistible late-night snack cravings. That extra 10-15 pounds can lead to frustration, low energy during the day, and even a hit to your confidence when you look in the mirror. But do not worry, intermittent fasting, or IF, offers a solution backed by science. The National Institute of Health reports that IF can enhance metabolism by up to 14% over 6 months, while the Mayo Clinic confirms its effectiveness in reducing body fat when paired with a balanced diet. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 practical step-by-step tips tailored for beginners like you, whether you're a college student, a new parent, or a busy professional. Stay with me for the next 12 minutes, and you'll leave feeling ready to tackle your weight loss goals with confidence. Understand the 16/8 method, your first step. Let's begin with the foundation of your IF journey, the 16/8 method. This is the most popular approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. The Mayo Clinic explains that this method helps regulate calorie intake, which is critical for weight loss, with studies showing a potential 3-8% body weight reduction over 3-6 months. Imagine you're a college student with classes from morning to afternoon. Start your eating window at 12 p.m. with a nutritious lunch like grilled chicken and broccoli, and end by 8 p.m. with a light dinner. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Choose your 8-hour window based on your daily routine, maybe 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. if you're a night owl. Step 2. Plan your first meal with a balance of protein, healthy fats, and veggies to keep you full. Step 3. During fasting hours, stick to water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Avoid sugary drinks at all costs. A sub-tip: try setting a phone reminder to signal the start of your eating window. This structure not only kickstarts your weight loss but also builds a habit. Curious about how to stick to it? The next tip has you covered. Why 16/8 works. T letter 1 EA1 I SOW 16/8 H I letter 1 EC7 UQU letter 1 EA3. Why does 16/8 work so well? The Mayo Clinic notes that fasting periods allow your body to use stored fat for energy, a process called ketosis, which can begin after 12-16 hours of fasting. For a young adult, this means less reliance on quick sugar fixes and more sustainable energy. Try it for a week and notice the difference. Prepare your meals ahead. Avoid temptation. Preparation is your shield against temptation. Newbies often fall into the trap of grabbing fast food when hunger strikes during fasting hours. The CDC warns that unplanned eating can increase calorie intake by up to 30%, derailing your progress. Picture a young professional working late. Those office donuts or a quick pizza delivery can undo a day's effort. To combat this, step 1. Dedicate 30 minutes each Sunday to meal prep. Grill some chicken, chop veggies, and cook quinoa. Step 2. Portion them into containers for the week, labeling each day. Step 3. Keep a stash of healthy snacks like almonds or carrot sticks for your eating window. The Mayo Clinic advises that pre-planning not only saves time but also reduces stress, with a 2024 study showing 40% better adherence among planners. A sub-tip: cook in bulk and freeze extras for emergencies. This strategy keeps you on track. Wondering how to stay energized? The next tip awaits. Stay hydrated. Boost your energy. Hydration is a game changer for fasting beginners. Many report feeling sluggish, but the Mayo Clinic states that adequate water intake can suppress appetite and maintain energy, with a 2023 study showing a 15% energy boost. Imagine you're a young parent juggling kids and work. Step 1. Always carry a 32-ounce water bottle to sip throughout the day. Step 2. Set a goal of 10 glasses, starting with 3 in the morning to kickstart your system. Step 3. Enhance it with cucumber or mint for a refreshing twist. Avoid flavored drinks with hidden sugars. The World Health Organization adds that hydration supports metabolism, aiding weight loss by up to 5% more than dehydrated individuals. A sub-tip: track your intake with a hydration app to stay consistent. This keeps you energized, ready for the next step. Some think water bloats you during fasting, but the Mayo Clinic debunks this. Proper hydration actually reduces water retention. Stay informed. Build a support system. Stay motivated. Motivation can fade, but a support system keeps you going. The CDC found that social support boosts weight loss success by 25%, especially among young adults. Picture a scenario: you're at a friend's party with tempting desserts. Step 1. Share your IF goal with a close friend or family member for encouragement. Step 2. Join online forums like the Intermittent Fasting Facebook group, where thousands share tips daily. Step 3. Set a weekly check-in with a buddy to discuss progress and challenges. The Mayo Clinic highlights that peer support increases adherence by 35% over 6 months. A sub-tip: start a small challenge with friends to make it fun. This turns your journey into a shared victory, eager for the last tip. Track your progress, celebrate small wins. Tracking is the key to long-term success. The Mayo Clinic recommends monitoring weight, energy, and mood to stay motivated, with data showing a 20% higher success rate. Imagine you're a young entrepreneur with a packed schedule. Step 1, download an app like MyFitnessPal or use a simple notebook. Step 2, weigh yourself every Sunday morning after waking up, avoiding daily fluctuations. Step 3, reward yourself with a non-food treat, like a new workout outfit after losing 2 pounds. A Healthline report from 2025 indicates that celebrating small wins increases motivation by 30%. A sub-tip, take weekly photos to visually track changes, which can be incredibly motivating. This final tip transforms your IF into a rewarding journey. Let's wrap up. So there you have it, 5 powerful ways to kickstart intermittent fasting. Understand the 16/8 method, prepare your meals, stay hydrated, build a support system, and track your progress. These tips, supported by the Mayo Clinic, Knee, and Healthline, can help you lose weight, boost energy, and feel confident. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Secrets for more IF secrets and drop your favorite tip in the comments. What's your biggest fasting challenge? Let's talk about it. Plus, try sharing this video with a friend to start your support system today.